everyone, right here on this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-enroll ng biller and magbayad ng credit card bills through the BDO Online App.
Once you log in the BDO app, click More and then go to Enrollment Services. Click Enroll Company or Biller. Select your biller or company. In this case, si BDO ang pipiliin natin. BDO credit card, peso payment to peso card. Okay? Then select your credit card type. For example, MasterCard. Tapos payment channels. Select online or mobile banking. So, pwede nyo din i-enroll in other payment channels like ATM, SMS banking, or phone banking. Okay? Then, click Continue. Subscriber number is your credit card number. Subscriber name is your name on your credit card. And then, preferred nickname. Okay? Then, click Continue. Pero, in this case, nakapag-enroll na ako. So, let's go back. Once nakapag-enroll na kayo, you can check your status by clicking View Enroll Status and then select your enrollment type. This case, company or biller. And yan. Makikita nyo dito yung status nung in-enroll nyo. As you can see here, ito yung mga na-enroll ko ng mga billers and makikita nyo na approved yung status. Ayan, you can check the details by clicking on the biller para ma-verify. Okay. Once nakapag-enroll na kayo, you can pay by going back, then click Pay Bills. Tapos, pay from the account. Select the account that you want to use to pay your bills and then your company biller. Lalabas dito yung kaka-enroll mo lang na biller. Then payment schedule. Pwede mo kasing i-auto pay yung mga bills mo by setting a regular schedule date and the amount na made-deduct. Or you can schedule it on a later date. For example, wala ka pang funds ngayon pero alam mo may babayaran ka on a specific date. And para hindi mo makalimutan, you can just schedule it or set it. Okay, on this case, immediate yung pipiliin natin. Type in the amount you want to pay. And then remarks, if any. Dito nilalagay ko yung personal code or ID ko because whenever I pay my credit cards, meron akong inassign na sariling ID number on all my payments. To know more about that, you can check this video on how I track my income and expenses. So for every credit card payment I make on each bank, meron akong inassign na number. It's just something personal that I do. Remarks is optional. You could leave it blank. And then just click Continue, double check the details, and click Confirm. Alright, so this confirms that you already paid your bill. I usually take a screenshot just for recording purposes.
That's it, guys. I hope you learned something on this video. In order to know how to enroll and pay through the BPI Online App, you can check this video. I'd appreciate it if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you, guys. Bye!